are going to take a look at working with shapes in Google Slides. You can click Insert and you'll see some shapes here. You can also access the shapes from this part of the menu. So there's different kinds of shapes, and all of these callouts, arrows, and the others should work the same way. I'll grab a shape here, click and drag to place it on the screen. Let's look at our coloring options. First of all, the border is like the outline around the shape. So border weight will change the width of that outline. And then here for border color, that's where you can change the color of the outline. As for the middle of the shape, that's the fill color. So you can fill a shape with this paint bucket icon, and you can also use gradients. Some other features include patterns on the outline, as well as some formatting options. If you don't see any formatting options, check the three dots, and then you can click here to access things like your drop shadow. Your drop shadow may become easier to see if you change some of these settings. You can change how see-through your shadow is, how blurry your shadow is. And you can also experiment with some other like reflection, size and rotation, and position. The last thing is about which shape is on top. If I have this shape and I want it to be behind the first shape, I can achieve that by going to Arrange. In order, you're going to see some options to send forward and backward, depending on the shape of it, depending on the position of it. And here you can see the keyboard shortcut. So if I type Command and down, it will send this shape behind the original one. Also, if I want to be able to see through a shape, I can do that by selecting transparent. And now the first shape we made is just like a frame that you can see the second shape through. If you want to type on shapes, all you have to do is select them and start typing. I'll grab another one to show you. All right, there you go. Have fun with your shape.